Animals in English. Simple English. Reptiles. Mammals.
Lizard. A lizard is green or brown. A lizard can run and climb. Mouse. A mouse is gray or white. A mouse can run and jump. Horse. A horse is brown or white. A horse can run and jump.
Whale. A whale is gray or blue. A whale can swim and dive. Snake. A snake is brown or green. A snake can slither and swim. Crocodile. A crocodile is green or gray. A crocodile can swim and crawl.
Tortoise. A tortoise is brown or olive green. A tortoise can crawl and hide in its shell. Elephant. An elephant is gray. An elephant can walk, run and swim.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.